Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Nissan Patrol ST-S, stock reference number 4999. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 4th month 2017. It has a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight. It's got an aftermarket worn winch with hand controller, rope type. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, just flat. Aftermarket stainless snorkel with all fittings. Left rear factory alloy mag, good flat tyre. Spare wheel 17-inch factory alloy, good tyre. Right hand barn door looks to have no damage. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, left neck. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, grey cloth centre console lid, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, iDrive unit, heater controls, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.